Okay, this morning we're going to make mayonnaise. This is a real simple recipe that I've made for about 40 years. It is simple ingredients, not many of them. You can use a food processor or a blender, whatever you have. And like I said, it is very, very simple. And what we have in our recipe today is 1 egg, a teaspoon of prepared mustard. We have half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of either apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. This is fresh squeezed lemon juice, and a cup of oil. So now this is just regular oil. You can use whatever kind of oil you like to use, and if you wanted to use raw sugar, you could use raw sugar. This is sea salt, but you could use any kind of salt. So you can arrange it however you would like as far as the things that you use. And the egg is straight from our chickens yesterday. So, all right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the egg, the mustard, the salt, the sugar, the lemon juice or vinegar, whichever you choose, and half a cup of the oil in here. Okay, we're going to keep that out. So then we're going to turn it on. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend it till it's blended very well. And then I'm going to take the little lid off here, and I'm going to drizzle the remaining half a cup of oil down into it as its own, very slowly. And what this is doing is emulsifying this oil. And you'll see when it comes out, it's going to look like regular mayonnaise. So here we go. Okay, we have mayonnaise. Isn't that pretty? So, it's not hard, and like I said, you can switch out the ingredients to have healthier sugar, to have healthier oil. If you have your own chickens, you already have healthier eggs. And again, you can use, oh, we have a baby behind us. You can use lemon juice or vinegar, apple cider vinegar. You can just change it up either way. We'll include the recipe below, but just understand you can experiment with it yourself. I have over the years. You can use olive oil or whatever. So anyway, go make you some mayonnaise. And I hope you have a very blessed day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our video. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And you have a blessed day from Pemberley Farm.